understand deviation. अब भी चाहिए पानी? So yes, wait. So this is my rarer medium and denser medium. Let's take the first case. So when there is a light ray which is incident on the surface. Okay, can I also say refraction is a surface phenomena? It happens only on the surface, na? In the entire thickness of it, whatever is going on, but refraction का point क्या होता है? Always the surface. Remember, it is a dash phenomena, surface phenomena. पूछ सकते हैं. So here, rarer to denser, where will it go? Mannath. Rarer to denser. Speed of light will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
So can I say velocity of light in rarer is more than velocity of light in denser? Sure. So what will happen to the ray of light? Where will it go?
Near the normal.
Closer to the normal? It will go closer to the normal? Everyone agrees with Panna?
Yes.
So if this was the path, अगर कोई deflection नहीं होता तो ये path पे होता कि नहीं है? Now, what is the incident ray here? This is my incident ray. Now you know what is incident ray and reflected ray. Reflected ray क्या होता है? ये ray होता है ना reflected ray. Now what is my refracted ray? This orange is my refracted ray or not? हाँ, ये पूरा नहीं होगा ना. Orange is my refracted ray or not? So what do we call this part? We call it delta. Delta कल हम लोग ने I think polarity में भी पढ़ा है ना, इधर भी delta है. Delta stands for deviation. What does it stand for? Deviation. Deviation मतलब क्या? Deviate कितना किया? It would have easily gone on this path, but instead it deviated by how much? Deviation is an angle. Delta degree होता है. Okay. So can I say in whether the light is passing from rarer to denser medium, angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction plus angle of deviation?
Yes.
बोलो.
अगर ये नहीं हुआ, deviate नहीं हुआ, फिर भी उसको refracted ray बोलेंगे?
नहीं, क्योंकि deviate नहीं हुआ मतलब same medium में है.
तो क्या बोलेंगे?
तो उसको
कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे. Light passing through a surface बोलेंगे.
R is for reflected.
R is for refracted ray. इसकी बात ही नहीं कर रहे.
अब इसमें
रिफ्लेक्शन भूल जाओ, भूलो मत. मतलब रिफ्लेक्शन की बात नहीं कर रहे. रिफ्लेक्शन भी होता है, इसीलिए मैंने दिखा है. नो रे इज 100% रिफ्रैक्टेड और रिफ्लेक्टेड. Always there is a certain percentage which gets reflected even when the refraction is maximum. There is always a certain percentage which gets refracted even though reflection is maximum.
मैम अगर इंसिडेंट रे ऐसा परपेंडिकुलरली
आते हैं ना? Coming to that. Okay. Next situation. So can we safely say this when we are talking about light traveling from rarer to denser medium? Can you see it yourself? Okay. Next. Now light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. Let's say this is my incident ray. This is my normal. बताइए.
वो डेल्टा मतलब वो एंगल को
Angle of deviation है ये. इतना जो है ना, this part is how much deviation has happened in the light. Understood? Now this is my denser medium to rarer medium. Tell me, Maitri, where will the light ray go? Like this or like this?
Away from the normal.
Why? Explain yours.
If we
Tell me in terms of velocity. Velocity of light in denser is more or velocity of light in rarer is more?
velocity is light, red, sorry.
Velocity rarer में ज़्यादा है कि नहीं? Alright. So now what will happen? Time taken here will decrease. So it will try to increase the distance to maintain the time. है ना? Speed का changes हो गया तो v मतलब speed, velocity पता है ना? Okay. So it has deviated again. Can we say it has deviated again? But if it would have not been deviated, this would have been the path or not?
जो वो path normal है ना?
नॉर्मल नहीं है बेटा, ये इसका नेचुरल पाथ जो है उसको ड्रॉ किया है मैंने. देखो नेचुरली अगर डिविएट नहीं होता तो नेचुरली ऐसे जाता ना. ये अगर डिविएट नहीं होता तो नेचुरली ऐसे जाता कि नहीं? That is what I am showing without deviation. So now you will have to identify. This is definitely my angle of incidence. What will be my angle of refraction? A छोड़ो. OABC. Tell me which is my angle of refraction?
angle of refraction is angle BOC.
गलत.
between
Always angle of refraction is measured with normal. Always with normal. So AOC होगा कि नहीं?
Yes, yes.
This is
सिर्फ B के साथ होगा ना?
क्यों B के साथ होगा? B क्या है? B तो
अच्छा,
इमेजिनरी
हाँ।
लाइन है. हमेशा एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज व्हाट? द एंगल मेड बाय द इंसिडेंट रे विद द नॉर्मल. एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन इज व्हाट? द एंगल मेड बाय द रिफ्रैक्टेड रे विद द not this. So AOC is going to be my, can I say R? AOC होगा कि नहीं यार? सबको समझा? What will be my deviation? कितना deviate किया? This is deviation or not? So can I say in this case incident ray क्या है? बता सकते हो?
Incident ray.
Listen, this is whole R or not? R minus S है कि नहीं? R minus sorry delta है कि नहीं incident ray? R minus delta हो गया कि नहीं मेरा incident ray? कैसे हुआ? R is this huge thing. Incident ray के साथ उसका vertically opposite जो है वही होगा ना? Incident ray ये है. This is also your incident ray ना? Vertically opposite यही है कि नहीं? See, this is only vertically opposite. What is this part? This is nothing but this R minus delta or not? Everyone understood?
Yes.
These are very important deductions. Now, if it is rarer or denser medium, any medium, if the light ray is perpendicularly falling on the refracting surface, how will it go? How will it pass? Can anyone tell me?
Same direction.
It will be, there will be no deviation. Deviation is going to be zero.
From what to what?
From any medium, between any two set of media, if the light ray is perpendicular on the surface, there is no change in, there is no deviation. क्यों नहीं होगा deviation?
एयर से ग्लास में जाए.
एयर से ग्लास पे जाए, एयर से डायमंड में जाए, किसी डायमंड का अलग अलग सर्फेसेस होता है. एयर से फ्लिंट ग्लास में जाए, एयर से कोई भी कहीं पर भी जाए, it will not deviate. Piers का you know साबुन आता था पहले, Piers translucent अभी भी आता होगा कुछ तो variety उसका. उसमें अगर एकदम लाइट अगर you know those red the laser lights that we use एकदम perpendicular डालो disperse होगा, लेकिन it will go in a straight direction. There will be no deviation. Deviation और dispersion के बीच का difference समझते हो? Disperse होना मतलब क्या? White light से अलग अलग बन जाना. Disperse, spreading. Deviation is what? Changing the direction. That same light will change the. What is? Where are you looking? Same light will just change the direction. That is what deviate होना. And disperse होना मतलब क्या? एक light का ray है, 2000 ray में break down होगा. Okay? Don't mix deviation and dispersion.
Disperse होता है, prism में होता है.
Prism में disperse होता है. Deviate कहाँ पे होता है? Rarer to denser. कहाँ पे होता है? Surface पे. Therefore, refraction is a surface medium. Surface phenomenon. Understood this much? Diagram बनाया? बना लो.
वो क्या है?
वो क्या है?
ग्लास के
हाँ, glass हो, air हो, जो भी हो. Perpendicular अगर गिरा, normally अगर गिरा.
एयर से ग्लास में टाइम बढ़ेगा ना?
क्या बोल रहे?
डायरेक्शन सेम कैसे होगा?
हाँ, direction same कैसे होगा? That is the question. Yes. So what happens in this case is the deviation does not happen because it doesn't have any space for deviation, and when it passes through a straight line, there are many molecular what do you say, the molecular science behind it is that it can just pierce through. When it is passing in an angular direction, the forces acting on it actually changes. You know what is thrust? When it pushes in a perpendicular direction, thrust is only the perpendicular force or not, but when you are pushing in a which is away, not a normal force, which is in any inclined force. So we take the value of force cos theta. Force cos theta decreases the effectivity. This is not something you should. F cos theta reduces the effectivity of force. मतलब ये अगर एंगल पे 45 डिग्री पे है तो cos 45 into force will be my effective force. So because in perpendicular direction it can literally pierce through a certain whatever substance. So we assume that because all transparent substances thickness उतना नहीं होता है, maximum what do you say, refractive index मतलब सबसे जो optically dense होता है, flint glass 2.24, that also light can maintain its speed when it is going in perpendicular direction. Whenever we change the angles, the effect of that force with which the light is going or piercing through the molecule decreases, but when it is perpendicular, it remains the same. Effective. Therefore, this is the General observation. Understood? Okay? Shall we move on? Laws of refraction. Laws of refraction तो आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है. Any other questions so far?
Ma'am, what have you written over there? Deviation is equal to 0.
Yes, deviation is equal to 0. Deviation नहीं हुआ ना इधर? इधर हुआ क्या?
नीचे I thought ऊपर.
नहीं, ऊपर नहीं बेटा, ऊपर ही है.
Yes.
बोलो बेटा.
तो अभी का जो टेस्ट होगा वो लाइट के तीनों चैप्टर का एक टेस्ट होगा कि अलग-अलग?
तू पढ़ तो ले पहले.
बताओ ना.
अलग-अलग भी होगा, एक साथ भी होगा, दूसरे चैप्टर के साथ भी. सब हो. कहीं नहीं जा सकता तू. You are stuck with me now बेटा. बस टेस्ट लिखो अभी पूरा लाइव. ये सब सवाल वाहियात सवाल मत पूछो मुझे. अलग-अलग होगा, साथ में होगा. Laws of refraction. Can anyone tell me one law of refraction? One law बता दो.
lie on the same plane.
Yes. So the incident ray, reflection और refraction में धार कभी भी कुछ भी हो, reflection हो या refraction. The incident ray, the reflected or the refracted ray, and the normal all lie on the same plane. And what did I tell you? Reflection and refraction happen simultaneously or not? Simultaneously होता है ना? All three will lie on the same plane.
Angle of incidence and angle of refraction will be equal.
Angle of incidence and angle of
Refraction.
कैसे equal हो गया? तो deviation क्या होता है?
Angle of
Reflection and angle of incidence and angle of reflection is always the same. But angle of incidence and angle of refraction is never the same. It depends on the refractive index. है कि नहीं? इसीलिए तो deviation बढ़ रहा है ना. So what is the first and the simplest law? First law is that the incident ray, this is my incident ray.
ये बनाना.
The reflected ray, this is my reflected ray. And the refracted ray, this is my refracted ray. They all and the normal. So the incident ray, reflected ray के बारे में आप लोगों को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, but write it down in bracket. That also lies on the same plane. Because now we know that reflection, refraction happening simultaneously or not. So incident ray, refracted ray and normal lie on the same plane. Bracket में ये भी लिख लो. Even the reflected ray will lie on the same plane as this. This is my first law. This we have already learned. Have you all heard of Snell's law? पढ़ा है ये भी 8th standard में आप लोगों ने. Snell's law states that ठीक है ये एक लाइन लिख के stop. साथ पे कॉपी करो ना इसलिए रब नहीं कर रही हूँ. Relax. रखो. सुनो. First law is what? Incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lie on the same plane. Second law, stop writing on that. Snell's law. What exactly is Snell's law? This is the most important law of refraction. It says that the ratio of sine of the incident, angle of incidence, angle of incidence is an angle ना, degree में है, upon the sine of the angle of refraction is given by a constant. It's always a constant. When is it a constant? But for a given pair of media. मतलब क्या? एयर और वाटर का कॉम्बिनेशन जो रहेगा, एयर का साइज, so एयर से वाटर में गया. This is air, this is water. Always when it goes from air to water, it will deflect at the same degree. ये इंसिडेंट रे का साइन ऑफ 60 अगर ये हुआ और ये इसका जो भी है, this is r, साइन ऑफ r will always be a constant and that constant will always be 1.5 or 2.5, whatever is the value. कहीं का भी पानी ले लो, कहीं का भी हवा ले लो. The sine of incident, angle of incidence upon sine of angle of refraction will always be a constant for a given pair of media. समझे? मतलब दो मीडियम एयर और वाटर का कांस्टेंट रहेगा, वाटर और एयर का कांस्टेंट है, मतलब वाटर से एयर में गया, एयर से वाटर में गया, कांस्टेंट. फिर वाटर से ग्लास में गया, कांस्टेंट. ग्लास से वाटर में गया, कांस्टेंट. ग्लास से एयर में गया, कांस्टेंट. एयर से ग्लास में गया. इधर से दोस कॉम्बिनेशन, दैट पेयर will always have a constant value for the sine of I degree upon sine of R degree. Did you understand what this means?
Mom, but value of what?
Value of sine. Sine मतलब क्या होता है? Sin theta. So sin theta is sin I degree. I का डिग्री होगा ना? I is an angle, right? और R जितना हुआ है उसका डिग्री. So let's say this is 30. So sine of 60, if this is air, this is water. Sine of 60 upon sine of 30 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? Sin 60 क्या है?
1 upon नहीं
Root 3 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
So root 3 होगा कि नहीं इसका वैल्यू? और हमेशा एयर और वाटर का वही कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा, root 3 ही रहेगा. I'm just giving you an example. That pair will have the same constant value. So Snell's law states what? It states that the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence upon the sine of the angle of refraction is a constant for a given pair of media. So mathematically what can we say? Mathematically we can say sine of I degree upon sine of R degree is given by, do you know what is this? Mu. What is this called? Mu. M U भी बोलते हैं या MIU mu भी बोलते हैं. This is a Greek symbol. We use it very very often. And how do we represent it? You know, sine of. अभी देखो ये air है और ये glass है. Have a look. Air और glass. So glass with respect to air. How do we write it? Glass with respect to air. This is what we say. The refractive index of glass with respect to air will be air. Like this we write. Okay, I'll teach you more. But here, medium, how do we say it? If this is medium 1, this is medium 2. This is medium 1 and this is medium 2. Let's say this is medium 1, this is medium 2. So the refractive index of, how to read this? The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is sin I upon sin R. Understood what I said? The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is sin I by sin R. Understood how to read it? Understood? तो ये अगर glass होता, ये अगर water होता तो हम क्या लिखते? The refractive index of water with respect to glass is sine angle of incidence which happens in glass and sine of refraction which happens in water. Did you understand? It takes a little bit of time because it gets a little confusing, but we will do it. Don't worry. धीरे-धीरे करके deal को. This is a very important and the first concept that you have studied. So refractive index से जो मैं बोले जा रही हूँ क्या है ये? Refractive index. यहाँ तक करके I want you to copy this. Okay? Don't start copying right now. Listen to me. Very important. Every optically transparent medium has a certain refractive index. I told you ना, every optically transparent medium का pair में क्या होता है? Pair का हमेशा constant रहता है. हम लोग का सबसे, what do we take as our primary, like optical medium, air or vacuum. Air या vacuum में speed of light क्या है? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Okay? So refractive index is basically associated with, can we say, transparent mediums? Always refractive index basically gives us an idea कि कितना deviate करेगा light ray. Refractive index अगर ज़्यादा है तो क्या होगा? Refractive index अगर कम है तो क्या होगा? Those are the things we discuss in refractive index. But first, let's try to understand what is refractive index. We will be entirely dedicating a full part of the chapter to refractive index. But what is it? Can anyone take a guess? Have you ever heard the word refractive index? बोलो. सोचो in your own words. Don't need to define. What could it be?
कितने डिग्री पे रिफ्रैक्ट
हाँ, कितने डिग्री पे रिफ्रैक्ट करता है और कुछ? कितना डिविएट करेगा? Anything else? Velocity कितना चेंज होगा और कुछ? These are the things. Basically velocity, deviation, all things are related. अभी तो समझ में आ रहा है ना? कुछ तो relation है. Mu का भी relation होगा उसके साथ. So mu, delta and all and everything is related to each other. So refractive index in simple words is defined as the, and refractive index हमेशा कौन से medium to कौन से medium also matters. When I simply say refractive index, that means with respect to air. Understood? Simply said refractive index with respect to नहीं बोला अगर मैंने, तो with respect to हमेशा क्या होगा? Air. So refractive index is, so refractive index of first, second media, always second media to first media or not? क्यों second media to first media क्यों करते हैं? Because second media में जाके refraction होता है कि नहीं? That's why refractive index of second media to first media is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence upon sine of angle of refraction. Sine of angle of incidence कौन से मीडिया में होता है? कौन से मीडिया में होता है? Sine incident फर्स्ट मीडिया में होता है कि नहीं? फर्स्ट मीडिया। और साइन आर हमेशा कहाँ पे होता है?
Second medium.
दिस इज माय रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स। सो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को भी हम लोग म्यू में दिखाते हैं। द वाई सेकंड मीडियम टू फर्स्ट मीडियम, यू अंडरस्टूड? ऑलवेज जहां पे जाके रिफ्रैक्शन होगा उसका एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, जहां पे इंसिडेंट होगा जिस पे, that is the angle of incidence we consider. So our media is very important or not in this. So refractive index is nothing but the same thing as Snell's law or not? It is what? The of the second medium with respect to first medium, refractive index is the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence in the first medium and the ratio of sine of angle of refraction in the second medium. This is my mu. Understood? Just write this down.